This ghost has now stolen 2 episodes. Born in the same flash as Pip, gone in 2 seconds. Always smug about it. Today, the ghost gets the whole show. And at last, a name. Zip. Zip is a neutrino, same birthplace as Pip, the heart of the sun. But where Pip began a 100,000-year pinball game, Zip simply walked out. 2 seconds, core to surface, in a straight line. How? Zip barely feels the universe. No electric charge, almost no weight. Matter simply can't grab it. To a neutrino, the sun is fog. The earth is fog. You are fog. 8 minutes later, Zip reaches Earth and doesn't stop. Straight through the oceans, the mountains, the whole planet, and out the other side. And it's not alone. Right now, trillions of neutrinos are passing through your hand every second. To stop even half of them, you would need a wall of lead, 1 light-year thick. But Untouchable has a price. Nothing pushes back. Nothing says hello. Zip has crossed stars, oceans, planets, people, and in all that time, almost nothing in the universe has ever noticed. And yet, hearing from a neutrino would be priceless. Pip's sunlight is old news, 100,000 years from core to surface. Neutrinos come straight from the furnace, 8 minutes fresh. They are the sun's live broadcast, our only proof the core is burning. Right now. So humans built a listening post, a cavern deep inside a mountain, holding 50,000 tons of the purest water on Earth, its walls tiled with thousands of golden eyes. And then, they waited. Almost every neutrino passes through like nothing is there. But once in a very long while, one clips a water molecule, and the water answers with a ring of blue light. Look closer. That ring is made of light. When the ghost finally said hello, a photon carried the message the last stretch. Pip's family. The messengers need each other. Honesty time. We keep calling Zip untouchable, but rare isn't never. Neutrinos do obey one force, the weak one. Barely. That whisper of a chance is the only reason we have ever met one. A perfect ghost would have stayed a rumor forever. And so 2 messengers tell one story. The ghost brings the news, the light brings the picture. Somewhere above Earth, Zip has been lounging for 100,000 years, waiting for a certain slowpoke to arrive. Next time, Pip watches a planet being born.